You know, our exploratory classes in all of our schools are so important. They are often the reason that get kids to come to school. That's what excites them. And so when I was feeling the need to get out of my office this summer, I looked at the schedule and saw a whole section of exploratory classes here at Overland Trail Middle School. So let's go check some of them out.
Are we doing what Louie does? Uh-oh. I don't think I can do that.
So you guys are learning how to code?
We work on coding with Python, and right now we're doing an hour of code lesson. We're learning about stuff like how to make shapes appear when you click on them, how to code shapes, and how to use conditions like if statements and things like that.
Wow. So you're doing Dungeons and Dragons in here? Can you tell me what you're working on here?
I'm being the dungeon master, and right now I'm leading a battle for them. So yeah, and they're battling a bugbear king.
Awesome. I am here on a kind of rainy, drizzly day at Blue Valley High School's football stadium with the Stanley 3rd through 5th graders, and they are participating in field day, and they are so excited. I can't wait to talk to a few of them. Can you tell me what you're doing here?
So we're trying to flip the cone, and whoever gets to the end first wins.
Oh, are you guys winning?
I don't think so.
You know, your PE teacher organized this whole thing. What's some of the best things about your PE teacher?
He is the best PE teacher I've ever met.
Awesome. Why?
He's really funny and he's really kind to us.
He's super cool. He's fun. He's trendy.
It's trendy?
Yeah.
What would you rather do? Sit in school and learn book stuff or come out to field day? We are out here at the end of extended school year at Hilltop campus with some of our youngest learners, and they are having a water and shaving cream day. Could there be anything better in the summer than water and shaving cream? Let's see what's going on. Okay, Elvis, what are you guys doing today?
Good. Good.
You're doing good?
Yeah.
Is you having fun?
Yes.
Oh, look at you.
I think it's wonderful, and some of these kids are strangers to each other, and there's no barriers. They just interact like they've been together all school year, and they just do the activities that they enjoy as a collective group.
And so what have they been working on this summer?
They've been working on maintaining their goals. They all have benchmarks that they've been trying to maintain and meet this summer, and so they've all been working hard, and today's the day of fun.
All of these highlight how important our specials, how important our coaches, how important it is for our kids to have fun each and every day they come to school. Thank you to all of you, because you really are kind of a guiding light for our students. You're what make it really special for many kids to come to school every day.